Hey everybody, I am here to share with you some of the October happenings from Lighthouse for Life. So let's see, within community education, we were able to come alongside about 272 individuals. A bunch of that for October was actually with the National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, who we are honored to partner with and to be able to be in their lineup as they come alongside law enforcement all across South Carolina and equip them with some critical information and training to help them really meet the needs of the community in a trauma-informed way. Within Care's Home, we hired another caregiver. Yay, another one closer, and we love her already. She's tremendous and has jumped in wholeheartedly. And we are hoping that this month will be the month that we get the rest of our team. And then maybe either by the end of this month or early December, we'll welcome in our first residents. So we have several in the lineup, just going through background checks and some of the process, and then maybe that'll come together. Please continue to be in prayer for that team. Pray for them as they get to know each other, as they communicate, and as they prepare to welcome the girls. Pray also for their health and families and circumstances, that nothing would sabotage their ability to be able to really welcome these girls and wrap them in arms of love and hope and healing. Survivor support. Wow, survivor support was a happening place in the month of October. We were able to come alongside 16 individuals, 6 of those being new people that we had not met before, and we're excited to be able to offer some answers and maybe some direction and hope into their lives. And then 10 were either ones that we had been doing life with in a lot of ways, or had reconnected with us after a season apart. And that's always a joy to us. One, because we love seeing everybody and coming back and welcoming them and seeing the kids grow and how life has changed for them. But also because we want to be known as a place of safety and have that reputation that people want to keep coming back. And no matter where life takes them, they can come back and they know that they have community here. So very grateful for that. We had a fellowship night for our survivors. We had a number come, they brought their kids. We had Muffin, the miniature horse there. We had a cookout and a fire pit, and it was just really a meaningful time together. And then there as well, we were able to help celebrate a birthday of a gal whose birthday had gone basically unacknowledged, and she was feeling really alone. And so we surprised her with a cake, and she got emotional as she said, just thanks so much for seeing me and valuing me, which is definitely what we want this ministry to be all about. We also were able to come alongside a couple of national efforts to rescue and restore individuals. We helped with a brothel bust up in Greenville, and were able to get one lady that we could help meet some of her immediate needs and try to connect her to, reconnect her with family in another state. And then we're a part of another national, multi-state effort, I guess, to identify and rescue a gal. Not all situations play out the way that we want them to, but we're very grateful to at least be there to help support in any way that we can. So as we anticipate next week of Thanksgiving, please know that you guys are definitely making our list of things that we're thankful for, and always more than we could ever say. So yes, thank you to each of you. And I'd like to challenge you as well, that for your family members that you're going to be with, it is such a prime opportunity for you to see them, to know them, to value them, to spend a little extra time to listen to them, a little extra touch to let them know that they are cared for and valued, because that goes a long ways to partnering with us in the fight of human trafficking, because it decreases their vulnerability, a key vulnerability that might be then targeted by the wrong individual who's more than ready to say the things that we want to hear. So enjoy your Thanksgiving. And from all of us here at Lighthouse for Life, again, we just are very thankful for you. And I look forward to giving you November's highlights here soon.